Hi, I'm Big Butt Bear from BigButtBear.com, and my friend Wesley's here.
Hi, Big Butt Bear.
Also known as Fanteco 104. You did subscribe, right? And we're at LaGuardia. No. Kennedy.
Look behind you.
Westchester County Airport.
That's correct.
We're going to watch some airplanes take off. We're going to watch some airplanes land. There's a big 757 here, the Delta.
Yep.
That they're going to take off. That'll be something else.
Yeah,
that'll
looks
be
so
something
cool.
else to watch. All right, so stay tuned right here on Fanteco 104. Let's watch some airplanes.
All right.
Who was flying?
Delta.
Delta.
Yeah. There's an Airbus 320. That's a CRJ 200.
Okay, I'm going to put our channel mascot right here. Maybe I got it backwards, but because you get on that gate, you just go out onto the,
Oh, I see.
onto the airfield.
With your departure, I got 616 Papa Tango, Westchester Tower, remains out the West Cliff runway.
We're taking off over there.
Oh, cool.
Clear for takeoff, Charlie Kilo, all remain south and west of the runways.
Here's the that little citation there, if that's what that is, takeoff.
This one just landed.
Well, this one's just going round trip between PBI and here, so there's no reason
Six four six Papa Tango, frequency change for
well, it's
6 Papa Tango. Thanks for the help. Have a good day. Thanks, you too.
not here.
I hear a jet engine starting.
Takeoff.
I think it's
So
Or it might just be that truck.
probably is the truck.
Sorry.
It's okay. That plane over there is waiting for
Flight
takeoff.
3181 Quebec remains Captain West Coast runway. Taxiway Charlie Kilo, clear to land. Landing the shore, taxi with this frequency. West Charlie Kilo, Southwest with Eastern Airplane. Falcon 1881 Quebec, no traffic, final runway 34, line up and wait.
no, you eat. That's what I was calling. You eat.
5120, that's on taxiway Kilo, advance 1 to 122. That's on Kilo, 21. Falcon 1881 Quebec winds 320 at 15. Runway 34, clear for takeoff. Switch takeoff runway 34.
You know the old here agreements mentions that's questions. I got to. That's
You know what was?
What's up?
Look behind. Oh, go ahead. After this,
two planes.
look at the air behind that 57 over there. He's got his APU started up.
He does? Oh wow.
There might not be any ground power over there.
That plane on the runway is waiting to be clear for takeoff.
Yes. Sometimes scammers do that.
He looks like he's landing. There goes the car for takeoff.
Yeah, if he took off, that'd be something else.
Yeah. Why not, you know? Yep, there goes the guys getting the baggage, getting ready to load the baggage onto the Embraer 190 to Tampa.
One departure prior to touchdown. 26 Alpha.
Talks about the last
Yep. Here comes the Delta CRJ 9, Bombardier CRJ 900 getting ready to land.
Roger, hold short. You're gonna have a little bit of time in 3 more minutes. Okay. Sergeant 111 Foxtrot Kilo, traffic, sign off on the right downwind. Winds 33016, gusting at 26. Runway 34, we report takeoff. Clear takeoff, 64.
Hope you're going someplace warm.
Yeah, me too. I hope they're going someplace warm too. It's too cold over here.
Yeah. Oh, they're headed the right direction. Looks like they're turning to the south.
Yeah, they are.
Just gotta keep going.
Exactly. Basically, as long as you go south for another two hours, you'll be in a nice warm place.
Yeah.
JetBlue's pushing back. And the 57's pushing back.
Oh, it's pushing back. Pushing back the Boeing 757.
Two planes pushing back.
Wow.
Whoa, look at the JetBlue guys.
Look, that's a lot of smoke.
Hopefully that was just startup.
Yeah. That's going to Tampa.
I don't know, he had a pretty messy engine startup.
Yeah. Now I think they're checking him.
Now they're pulling the truck off, so.
Oh, wow.
You can tell these guys aren't used to pushing big planes.
Oh no, they're definitely not.
In Atlanta, they would have just shoved it back.
Yeah,
They're taking their time.
they really are. There's that smoke again.
Okay. Winds 33015, gusting at 24.
The pilot's probably like, alright, enough already.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's good. Yes.
Oh, look at that.
No.
Yeah, he's starting up his other engine.
He's starting up too. Yeah.
No.
You start with them, both of his engines.
Yeah.
Board it, like, up in the air. And then touch
Wonder who's gonna take off first, JetBlue or Delta?
Delta.
Oh yeah, because it's the bigger plane.
Oh, he's also clogging up the taxiway.
Oh yeah.
Nobody's getting past him.
No.
26 Alpha, I'll turn taxiway hotel, that's 1.82. Hotel now 1.82 and gain of 12 at 650.
Yeah.
Right, roger, thank you. Roger.
Yep. Really good there. Yeah, everything's at the time. That's true. What's that? Oh,
They're detaching him.
good. Oh, I should have done that. I'm sorry, I should have done that.
There's the other engine.
Those are big engines.
Those were cold engines.
Yeah.
That's why there's so much smoke when they started them up.
Yeah.
Probably that Airbus also, same thing.
You mean Embraer?
Is that an Embraer?
This is Embraer, that's Airbus.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, look at that.
I love that. I remember that.
He's getting ready to depart for Tampa.
What happened to that?
Westchester Tower, helicopter 310, Quebec, and Charlie Kilo, ready to go, Sierra. Helicopter 310, Quebec, Westchester Tower, remains up and what's looking way back on the server. Crew taxiway, Charlie, Kilo, to the airport takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 310, Quebec, thanks.
Is there somebody at the end, or did they clear him?
I think they cleared him.
Okay.
Yeah, they cleared him. JetBlue's clear for takeoff.
Oh, he's tested, the 57 is testing all of his flight surfaces.
Oh, yeah.
Surfaces, see? He just wiggled his, rudder, and then he wiggled his...
Westchester Tower, Challenger.
I saw that, yeah.
He wiggled his elevators.
Challenger 724 Hotel, Westchester Tower, good afternoon. Wind 320 to 18, continent 24, cancel losses of 10 knots between quarter. Final runway 34, clear to land. 34, clear to land, Echo Hotel.
Better be on runway 34, it's the only runway they have.
I think that's supposed to be the CRJ 900.
Center, here 7277 Foxtrot now. Here 7277 Foxtrot, Westchester Tower. Did it first give you anything, or did it first? I just showed us inbound right traffic from 34. Excellent. Make the system decision. You could wind up to your left.
There he goes.
Right base runway 34. Okay, wind down right base 34.
Oh, yeah.
And I just want to confirm 2 mile right base runway 34. Would like to make the number 2. Okay, 2 miles.
Make way for the Boeing 757-232. Looks like they're taking off from over there.
Yeah, JetBlue 44 cents ready to run. JetBlue 44 cents, tell Roger, hold short on the 34 times traffic light. Hold short. Yes, Embraer 7277 Fox number 2, follow Challenger on a 10 mile. Final cancel loss of 10 knots. Final runway 34, clear away.
Okay, that's for 77 Fox.
We're going to 77 Fox, affirmative, runway 34, clear to land, cancel losses of 10 knots. Have been reported on final.
Okay, so we're number 2 behind the aircraft on the tail bottom.
Negative on the short final. You could proceed direct to the field then.
Direct to the field, clear to land on 834.
Number 77 Fox, proceed direct to the field. I'd like to make you number 1.
Direct to the field, number 1, 77 Fox. Tower 52, your operation.
AC 5286, Westchester Tower, number 2, follow Canadian in 1.5 mile right base. Wind 31014, Gustin 24. Cruise the right there, 40 minutes, loss of 10 knots, and final 134, clear to land.
34, clear to land, southeast 636.
Port Hotel Taxiway, Charlie's Close, safe parking. Correction is block, safe parking.
We take Delta and we're going to FlexJet's hangar.
Over Roger, right turn on Taxiway Delta, ground 121.87.
Turn on Delta over to ground, Echo Sounds.
Westchester Tower 4845, holding short 34, and laying over ready to cross, ready for the parking.
Roger, we'll show runway 34, traffic line.
Holding short.
Number 77 Fox, safe parking.
That's Sierra J 900.
A little bit landing
Roger,
right.
left turn runway 29, table.
Ooh.
Left turn, 29.
Roger, 17 on 29, left turn on Taxiway Charlie, and taxi to Ross West frequency.
This frequency 29, Charlie with you, southwest.
Oh, there he is.
Westchester Tower, water speed 4334 on a visual 34.
Water State 4334, Western Tower, continue your approach. Traffic won't fisify arrival. Cancel list of 10 knots, being reported on final.
Roger.
Yeah, he sent one.
Well, it's about time.
Observation. I'll come down. Where are you now?
1447 traffic on a 4 mile final runway 34, line not been waiting.
Delta Bombardier Sierra J 900 from Atlanta.
1446.
Because if you need to be anywhere in less than a day, you need Delta. Because they've got a big aluminum winged bus to take you there. And also to Atlanta first.
That's right.
Taxiway Charlie.
Americans getting ready to go.
Taxiway Delta, ground 121.82, and open lane exit.
Alright, right turn Delta 121.1. Seems to be.
Everybody welcome back to the Church Group.
Bye. Have a good day.
1447
Thanks.
Traffic, Embraer, 3 mile final. Wind 3001, destination 24, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
347 takeoff, JetBlue 1447.
Water Street 4334, caution with turbulence 190, departure runway 34, for the line.
Delaware 34, water speed 4334.
The Tower JetBlue 1447, you're expected the 127 departure.
Contact 1447 on the left turn, contact departure on 120.8.
120.8 left turn, JetBlue 1447.
I think I have sunglasses in my bag. Put them on my face, okay? Here.
That's the way you fly.
Yeah.
That's an Embraer 145.
That one?
The one that just landed.
How's that?
Yeah, Trans-State Airlines.
Hold on. Okay, look at me.
Just like what Flight Radar would be said would be.
Is that where it said it would be?
Yeah.
That's okay.
What is the 4334, return to taxiway. Echo, hold short of taxiway off and ground 121.8, sir.
Echo short Alpha. Watershed 43.
Oh, I think they're getting ready to take off this bad boy.
Where is he going?
No clue.
1447, contact departure on 120.8.
Alright, 2020, you see it, JetBlue 1447.
Are they? I wonder if because he's facing the wrong way on the runway.
He is.
And if he tries to take off from there, he's not going to have enough runway.
Let's show this.
I didn't hear them clear it either.
No.
You want a big plane like that.
Yeah.
Me.
It's kind of like, you try to be like, it's kind of like
Oh, he's not on the runway, Wes. He's on the other taxiway.
Oh, he's on the other taxiway. Okay.
So they're going to turn him around. We don't hear the We don't hear the ground frequency.
No, we don't.
190 wind,
757 back there. You don't see a lot of those at this airport.
No, you don't.
Takeoff Alpha 344.
Good afternoon, Chesapeake 167, holding short 34, ready in sequence.
If you want to take 706 tower, when you get to the end, just fill it into the patterns, intro spacing and hover stages.
Westchester Tower, 503, switches to back, hold short, runway 34, high hard line.
Look at that little prop plane, dude. That was cool.
Yeah. I got it on camera too.
Westchester Tower, flight jet 455 is looking at the visual runway 34.
You got a good seat. Those sunglasses look awesome on you.
Sector 455 Westchester Tower, wind shear reported by a Challenger, gain of 10 knots, loss of 5 knots on final. Wind 300 at 90 gust 21, runway 34, business.
34, green line, thanks for that report, flight jet 455.
Some people have small cameras and some people have little cameras. Like, I have a small phone, some people have big phones. Oh, look, there's another little thing that's coming.
November 84, Mike. Contact departure 168.
You may need to get the port track.
I will.
I know the sun haven't flown on. I think your mom's been on one before.
why haven't you flown?
Well, not on one of the small ones. I've flown on big planes.
Westchester Tower, 508, Whiskey, Quebec, holding short, runway 34, high hard departure.
He's clear for takeoff. The 757.
Clear?
He's cleared.
Next in line?
Yep.
Here we go. This will have to be something.
Yeah.
So watch the big guy back there. That's got to be something else.
Because I've flying in the past, so surely it should be.
He's got barely enough runway to take off, so he is going to hit it hard, take off fast, and rotate like you've never seen.
Yeah.
Want me to take off your sweater? Is it hot? Okay. Oh, that's really stripes and some flowers.
It's like kind of a tree. It's tree.
That's really cool.
start.
There goes one.
That was an excellent landing.
Yeah.
5651. Runway 34, line for it.
Thanks to walk around.
Cruiser 5464 behind the citation. You can taxi up to Echo runway 34. Sector 455, right left to Charlie, contact ground.
You're ready, Charlie, in order ground, flight jet 455, and probably plus or minus 10 knots, sometime.
Thank you, sir.
Taylor, you're the best. Did you come up here with mommy last time?
This is 661 with 300.17.21, runway 34, please take off.
There was another one taking off.
It's a little compared to the big one.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Cruiser 5464, runway 34, line for it.
Oh, look, there it goes. I want to see the wheels turning. Did you see the wheels turning?
54, wind 310 at 17.21, runway 34, please take off.
So I know your mom.
There goes the American Eagle.
There is 508 with seat Quebec, runway 34, line up and wait.
34, line up and wait. 8 points to that.
Look at the wheels turning.
Jet 157, you have a wheels of time of 58.
See him?
Really big wheels. Keep your eye on that one.
On the really big one on the way in the back?
No,
Oh, that one. The small one?
no. Keep your eye on JetBlue.
Oh, I think that.
Cruiser 5464 on the left turn, contact departure 120.8.
And left turn, 2020, 464.
Oh, they're finally pushing back the JetBlue. This plane was supposed to depart 40 minutes ago.
Number 508 with seat Quebec, wind 310 at 14.20, runway 34, please take off.
Airbus 320.
And another tiny little prop plane.
Another little tiny prop plane taking off. Oh, there it is.
Delta 8950, motion runway 34, be a couple of minutes and show speakers behind us.
I have to put more color in it though.
Okay, copy that, Delta 8950.
Wait, I kind of like it.
Series 8 with seat Quebec on the left turn, contact departure 120.8.
Why not?
120.8, please take it back.
But then I can color it.
The J is kind of like.
Mommy brought Ryan here yet?
Like,
Here. To watch the music.
well, she brought me here to go to like trips,
Oh, okay.
not to watch airplanes.
Okay. You want to sit down? You like your spot?
Just basically over to the sheet. Okay.
Want to show you? Okay, I'll show you. Yep. That's a lot better. That's hot.
He's sure hanging there for a long time,
Well,
Dad.
there must be more landings, more arrivals.
Yeah.
Could be that. An airport only has one runway.
True.
Trans-States Airlines. Never heard of them.
Yeah. That's for American.
They're flying for American.
Yeah. The engines are starting up on JetBlue Airbus A320. Yeah.
I didn't see any smoke. They must have flown that already today.
Yeah.
You know, like our generator, it smokes when it's cold.
Right, yeah.
Same thing.
Oh, he's moving again.
That's at 8950, wind 310 at 16 plus 20, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Alright, he's clear for takeoff. He's getting ready to go now.
There he is, Delta 8950.
Yep, Delta 8950, clear for takeoff.
He's probably going to gut it before he even unlocks his brake.
Yeah. There he goes.
Oh yeah, he's not wasting any time.
No, he's not.
Rotating. Look at that.
Wow. There he goes.
Oh, there they are.
He only used a little more than half the runway. He's good.
Yeah. There he goes, heading to Detroit.
Maybe all of the things. Maybe the thing.
Delta 8950 on your left turn, contact departure 120.8.
Yeah, that's good.
Maybe the wheels are light and there's things that they pull in the co-pilot pulls them, and then since the wheels are light, they pull them.
Meanwhile, there's Americans still getting to go.
And now JetBlue 320 is still sitting in the middle of the taxiway.
Yes, he is.
Well, we'll say over here where they're going. West Palm Beach.
No, actually, this one's going to Orlando.
The JetBlue?
This JetBlue A320 is going to Orlando.
Okay, Orlando, Lauderdale, West Palm Beach. They're going to Florida.
Yeah, all JetBlue planes around this airport go to Florida. They all go to Florida from here.
Let's get on one of them. I want to go someplace warm.
Yeah.
Final, wind 320 at 16 plus 22, runway 34, clear to land.
34, that's it.
They're going to use runway 34 this time.
Yes, 160, 5 mile final, wind 320 at 16 plus 22, runway 34, clear to take off.
Runway 34, clear to take off. That's
So, but they really did.
Maybe. I was on a plane once and this lady left her phone in the airport. Stopped the plane. She didn't go out and find it.
Did you?
Nope. She lost it. She was back on board, no phone. It was crazy. Here they go. And up. Inside.
Let's see if it goes. I still see it. Did you see it?
Yes.
Still see it. Still see it.
Tower check right now, that is spent 9 miles down on the visual 34.
Check for 900.
What? Is that a walk?
They're unloading the Delta CRJ 900.
So you have to walk on your whole body?
Sometimes. So, like the planes that your mom and I work on, you have to walk onto the plane. So you have to
Well, here comes something.
like that. Versus like, you see this one with the big JetBlue one where you have to walk out onto the whole pathway like you did.
This is aircraft information, Foxtrot, current altimeter 3042.
You have to stay in. See, like this little piece here, you got to walk right onto the plane. So the plane that we work with, you have to take the little steps, get onto them.
They're born in this American Eagle plane right here.
Oh, they're boarding from the ground?
Yep.
But they're still on the ground.
Yep. See if they're all lining up and ready to go. And I sent you pictures of you in some places. You look so silly.
I can't really I see you in my glasses.
Yep.
I mean, not my glasses, your glasses.
Yep. You can borrow them while we're up here. I know when your mom wants to sit back. We'll get all bundled up. Just like that. The ones I was wearing earlier. You can take it tomorrow. Yes.
Boy. It's the... I think we have to go now. Right?
In just a few.
Minutes?
Yep. In a few. I'll watch for a couple more things. There it goes.
November 7277 Foxtrot, Washington Tower, reach report on the Boeing.
Okay, land away, 7277 Foxtrot.
Stopped. It's like a wish. It's like this.
Jet car 900, red left Foxtrot, contact 1.82.
Oh, yeah.
Look, maybe it's coming over here.
Maybe it's popping.
Number 630.
Roger, right on Foxtrot, contact 1.
Thank you, sorry.
Senior 77 Foxtrot, wind 320 at 17, gust 25, right turn to the northeast, approved from wind 34, to take off.
Let's take a runway 34, 77 Foxtrot.
You guys see the roof coming up?
JetBlue 495, Washington Tower, wind 34, on the Boeing.
Look how tiny that is.
I think it's gonna stop again. Oh, stopping. Can I tell you something?
That's 77 Foxtrot aboard.
At the glass. Like, kind
November 77 Foxtrot, Roger, do you need any assistance? Roger, turn left at Foxtrot if you can, or turn right left at 81 and contact 1.
the glass.
What?
Okay, we'll try Foxtrot.
JetBlue A320 going to Orlando, ready for departure.
No, when we had the party.
77 Foxtrot, what was the reason for avoiding takeoff?
No airspeed.
Other look.
Oh, okay. You went
See,
to
the
that one?
sleigh was there.
7495, wind 320 at 17, gust 25 from wind 34, to take off.
476,
I think we should stop coming back down.
Let me check.
There goes JetBlue.
One more minute, and then we can start getting ready. And then we'll meet you on downstairs.
Washington Tower, helicopter 318, Quebec.
Helicopter 321, Quebec, Washington Tower, and Benton Series, approved for sister altimeter 3042.
3042, make sure we have the rough weather.
Roger.
Wheels, look at the wheels.
There you go.
Number 9101, Romeo, Westchester Tower, wind 320 at 17, gust 25. Wind shear reported by a Gulf Stream, getting lost of 10 knots in the final, partial turbulence, Airbus departing, will reach V4, distance.
Battery's going dead, so we're gonna switch to my phone now.
This security.
About that. Forget to get at least one shot of Big Butt Bear watching the airplane.
Sure.
Tower November 120 Whiskey Juliet. I know we got about 3-4 minutes before departure. He wants to pull us into the ramp area.
120 Whiskey Juliet, no problem. Yeah, you can just pull up in the pad and let me know when you're ready.
We're ready now. 120 Whiskey Juliet.
Okay, no problem. Hold short runway 34.
Okay, sure, runway 34.
I'm Passion Flight 7 Hotel Lima, contact departure 120.8.
20 by see you later, 7 going.
There he goes.
No pushback. He's just taking off right there.
He just thinks he's got enough room to turn around.
Yeah. That's an Embraer 145. No, he's not. He's going.
120 Whiskey Juliet.
There's a bird. It's not an airplane. He's landing.
He just landed. Yeah. Oh, he just took off. Never mind.
We saw a bunch of cool startups today.
We did.
We saw a bunch of cool startups today.
We did.
All the jets come out of
Yep.
it, yes. Huh? Yeah, this place has come a long way, man.
Yeah.
A long way.
Yeah, there was a time when it was just a little podunk airport with a walk up to the fence, right? School or
No, it was
something
a
like that?
training, like a BOCES. It was a BOCES.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm in BOCES right now.
Votech school, yeah.
Right, Votech. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucker came on. I kept on saying it because I used to live in Teaneck in South Hackensack. I used to kept saying, once to stop these planes from just going right through. And thank God it only happened, well, actually, I think it happened twice in like the last 20 years. But it's pretty amazing.
That happened right here in the 80s
Really?
when they first built 684. There
Really?
was nobody on 684 at the time. Little prop plane couldn't make the airport, landed right on the interstate.
Crazy.
Couldn't do that today.
No, oh God. It's dangerous enough driving a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, have a good day.
You too.
Contact 50 Westchester Tower, wind 320 at 14 goes 24, runway 34, clear to land.
Those people as well.
I know, right? It's awesome.
Westchester Tower, SWS 548.
We met a lot of interesting people today. It was really cool.
School or
No, it was
something
a
like that?
training, like a BOCES. It was a BOCES.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm in BOCES right now.
Votech school, yeah.
Right, Votech. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucker came on. I kept on saying it because I used to live in Teaneck in South Hackensack. I used to kept saying, once to stop these planes from just going right through. And thank God it only happened, well, actually, I think it happened twice in like the last 20 years, but it's pretty amazing.
That happened right here in the 80s.
Really?
When they first built 684. There
Really?
was nobody on 684 at the time. Little prop plane couldn't make the airport, landed right on the interstate.
Crazy.
Couldn't do that today.
No, oh God. It's dangerous enough driving a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, have a good day.
You too.
550 Westchester Tower, wind 320 at 14, goes 24, runway 34, clear to land.
Those people.
I know, right? It's awesome.
Westchester Tower, Jet 548.
We met a lot of interesting people today. It was really cool.
Just take off.
Good.
No, thank you, 707
Well, that's about all we got for today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Fans Echo 104, BigButtBear.com.